Hello there, hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, yes, it's Tuesday, March the 28th, 2023, almost end of the month. We have here one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. There's also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you extra puzzles in today's newspaper. Yeah, the extra puzzles. Those are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Yeah. But first, let me start with the medium Sudoku. By the way, what's the news of today? Well, yesterday I've talked about the match between the Netherlands and Gibraltar. Yeah. 3-0. 3-0. The Dutch team has won. Yeah. Alright. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number, I believe, 3186. 3186. Let me zoom this medium Sudoku. Yeah. 3186. Before I start, no. 61. Correction, 6186. Well, the numbering. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. 3 in this row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Okay. 3. 3. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. We have 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in this column. No 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in this row should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes, disappear. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 1, 3, 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this row. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there in this row. We see another 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there.
Iemand is overleden, dat die toch een beetje begripvol zijn, nadenken over woorden, maar ook vooral tijd geven. Dat is iets wat wij heel erg hebben gemist.
Alright. Then the 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. Yeah. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. Come on. Yeah. 5. 6. Okay. 6. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Okay. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait again. Wait again. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 1. We have 4 and a 1 in this row. So no 4 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4 in this big square. Yeah. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and 6. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6 cannot fill this yet. That means we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 8. No, cannot continue with 8. How about the 9 then? 4 and 6. 9. 6. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Well, 1. Well, 1. 6. Yeah. 4. Thinking. 1. 5. Yeah. Not easy at all. 3. Yeah, we have 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. Oh no, we already have 3 here. Well, let me put the 3 here then, and here. Need a 3 here. 3 in this column. 3 in the second column. So the third column, no, need 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Same for here. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between, no, need 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. Okay. Yeah. 7 and a 9. 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4. 4, 6 and a 7. 7, 7. 4, 4, 4. 6, 6. Complicated. 4 and a 6. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, middle column, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. That means in the first row, we need a 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the first row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 now. In the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 4 and a 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Wait. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 now in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. Yeah, 7. Okay. Yeah. 5. 4 and 6. Need a 5 here. 5, yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5. Should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Here also 4 and 6. Here we have a pair. 4 and 6. Here we have a pair. 4 and 6. We have a pair here. Alright. So these are 3 missing numbers. Oh wait, these 2 missing numbers in this column should be the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 9. We have a 9 now in the third row. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and the 6 we have here. We have a 4 now in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Same here. The 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 now in the last row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then 8 and the 2. 8 and 2. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, first row. 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this second row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. We have a pair. The 7 and the 6 in this row. The 7 and the 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other puzzles. In additional, until then, bye-bye for now.